Class 10, Chapter 13, Exercise 13.3, Question number 4. The length of 40 leaves of a plant are measured correct to nearest millimeter, and data obtained is represented in the following table. Length in millimeter, number of leaves 118 to 126 3, 127 to 135 5, 136 to 144 9, 145 to 153 12, 154 to 162 5, 163 to 171 4, 172 to 182. Find the median length of leaves. Answer 4. Length in millimeter, class interval, change class interval, number of leaves, cumulative frequency 118 to 126. In change class interval 117.5 minus 126.5. Number of leaves is 3. Cumulative frequency is 3. 127 to 135 is changed class in change class interval 126.5 to 135.5. Frequency is 5. Cumulative frequency is 8. 136 to 144, 135.5 to 144.5. Frequency is 9. Cumulative frequency is 17. 145 to 153, 145.5 to 153.5, 12, 29. One 54 to 162, 153.5 to 162.5, 5, 34. 163 to 171, 162.5 to 171.5, 4, 38. 170 to 180, 171.5 to 180.5 is 2. Cumulative frequency is 40. Number of leaves, n is equal to 40. Here n by 2 is equal to 40 by 2 is equal to 20. 20 comes under the CF 29. Median class 145.24.5 to 153.5. L is equal to 144.5. F is equal to 12. CF is equal to 17. N is equal to 153.5 to 144.5. That is 9. Then median is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF upon F into H, equal to 144.5 plus 40 by 2 minus 17 by 12 into 9. That is 144.5 plus 3 into 9 by 12 equal to 144.5 plus 27 by 12 is equal to 144.5 plus 2.25, that is 146.75. Median is 146.75 mm. Question number 5. The following table gives the distribution of the lifetime of 400 neon lamps. Lifetime in hours, that is 1500 to 2014, 2000 to 2500, 656, 2500 to 3060, 3000 to 3500, 86, 3500 to 4074, 4000 to 4500, 62, and 4500 to 5000 is equal to 48. Is 48. Answer 5. Lifetime in hours. Number of lamps, frequency F, cumulative frequency CF. 1500 to 2014, cumulative frequency is 14. 2000 to 2500, frequency is 56, cumulative frequency is 70. 2500 to 3000, 60. 130, cumulative frequency 3000 to 3500, 86. Frequency 216 is cumulative frequency. 3500 to 4000, 74 is frequency and 2000 290 is the cumulative frequency. 290 is cumulative frequency. 500 to 4074 is frequency. 290 is the cumulative frequency. 4000 to 4562 is the frequency and 352 is the cumulative frequency. 4500 to 5000, 48 frequency and 400 is the cumulative frequency. Then n by 2, that is n is equal to 400, then n by 2 is equal to 400 by 2, that is 200. 200 comes under the CF 216. Median class is 3000 to 3500. L is equal to 3000, F is equal to 86, CF is equal to 130, and H is equal to EH equal to 3500 to minus 3000 equal to 500. That is class size. Median is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF upon F into H. 3000 plus 400 by 2 minus 130 by 86 into 500. That is 3000 plus 200 minus 130 by 86 into 500. That is 3000 plus 70 into 500 by 86 equal to 3000 plus 406.976. That is 3406.98 hours approximately. That's all.